Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. If you're new here, my name is Quynh, and for today's video I want to do a try-on review on these new silk lashes from this brand called Doe Lash. I'm pretty new to fake eyelashes, and my favorite brand and style so far are the Ardell Demi Wispy that you see in almost all my videos. That's just because they are pretty cheap and affordable and you can buy them pretty much any drugstore. But I'm feeling pretty adventurous today, so I want to try these new silk lashes. I want to see how they compare to my synthetic everyday wear lashes. Silk lashes are supposed to be like more lightweight and more comfortable, and they're supposed to look more natural as well. So if you guys are interested to see me trying these lashes, then keep on watching. As you can tell, I have already applied my makeup, so you don't have to sit and watch me do all that. The only thing I didn't do are my fake eyelashes. I don't have mascara on or anything like that. So I got two lashes. I got the Let's Just Be Friends lash because this is their most popular lash on their website. And then I got the Crazy in Love lash because these are the most dramatic and glammiest lash. They look kind of like a dupe and pretty similar to Miami from Lily Lash, but for like a fraction of the price. These lashes are only $12 versus most of the mink lashes, which is about 30 bucks. It's supposed to be ultra lightweight and easy to apply and reusable with care. I reuse all my eyelashes, even the Ardell Demi Wispy, like the ones you're supposed to throw away, just because I don't apply mascara on them, so why not? As long as you like peel off the glue and you keep them clean. So anyways, this is what they look like. Looking at it, they look fluttery and more fine versus my Ardell lashes. Here, let me show you a little clip of my Ardell versus these lashes. These have like multi-layer. They're dark at the base and thinner at the tip, and they're very fluttery looking, so that's very pretty and I can't wait to try them. It also came with this application stick. I've never tried a lash application stick before. I always use my hand or the tweezer. So this would be interesting. I hope it makes my lash application process much easier. So I got two different style lashes here. One is called Let's Just Be Friends. The other one is called Crazy in Love. A lot of their names on their websites are pretty witty too, like Left Him on Red or Could Be Yours. They're very meme names. So I'm going to put one style on each eye to see what looks good on my eye shape. Hopefully it gives you a good comparison on what might look good on you if you're planning to buy these lashes. I know they look different when they're in their package versus when they're on your eyes. Oh, already I feel like I'm going to like this Crazy in Love style better just because it's more glammy, good for photos. The Let's Just Be Friends is more natural, and also the band is thinner than the Crazy in Love. So both of these bands are thicker than my Ardell lash band. I'll just cut your lashes so they fit your eyes better. You should always cut your lash, and if you are going to cut out your lashes, make sure you cut out the end of the lash instead of the beginning. I'm applying duo glue onto the band. Oh, anyways, I want to say happy spring. I love spring except for the allergies. I've been getting allergies nowadays every single spring, so I don't like that, but I do love spring. What have you guys been up to? Have any plans for the summer? Oh, I forgot I have to use the applicator. Ugh, I don't know how to use the applicator. I guess you hold the lashes here with the applicator. Don't judge me, guys. I'm new to this whole eyelashes thing. Yeah, so make sure that you're putting your eyelashes upwards. This is how you open up your eyes and make them not look closed and droopy and stuff. I normally don't curl my normal lashes before applying my eyelash. I find it so much easier for me to have my lashes not curled because when I curl my lashes, they go up really high, and then I have a hard time putting the fake lashes on top, if that makes sense. I usually just curl my lashes afterwards so then they can... Just gonna press it together with this This is what they look like. This is the Let's Just Be Friends. It's so pretty. They look kind of like your real lash. All right, time to do this side. And for this side, I'm going to put on the Crazy in Love, the dramatic lashes. I'm so excited. Be right back. So I just applied the glue on my Crazy in Love lash. These lashes are so pretty. Here. In my Ardell lash, it's just in one even length across. But these lashes has multi-length, multi-dimension in its shape to show these couple spike. Yeah, these are very Instagrammable lash. Yeah, so on a side note, I'm gonna try to post more videos, and I'm not sure what this channel is really going to be about. If it's gonna be all makeup, it's gonna be a lifestyle, it's gonna be food in Chicago. I don't know yet, but whatever you guys want to see more of, can you just please let me know so I can make more of what you want to see. I kind of enjoy doing all type of videos. I enjoy doing videos where I talk more than when I'm just like doing my makeup. So the glue is drying. I'm going to apply this. Oh, I forgot this applicator again. I'm so not used to applying it with applicators. It has like a curve where it can just latch onto your eyelash, and then you kind of go, and then I'm going to curl my lash. Okay, here you go. What do you guys think? So my final thoughts on this, I really like both of the lashes. This one is really natural and this one is glammy. They have different purpose. This is an everyday wear look. This is more glammy look, like for Instagram, going out. So I can't really pick one over the other, but comfort wise, like this one, Just Be Friends, you cannot even feel it. Like, I can't even feel it. This, you can feel it a little bit. So I don't know. For 12 bucks, they are such a good deal, and I definitely recommend these lashes. So worth, and you can wear them multiple times if you take good care of them. Anyway, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.